this concept, this idea is there's a small change. If you picture a circle, there's, and you have an angle, right? You have an angle.
Sorry.
Yeah, so here's one position on that angle. A small change in this angle covers a good bit of distance on the circle, on the circumference of the circle, right? So a small bit, a change in this, that covered all that distance. A small change in the bend of my arm covered a large distance by comparison. I didn't have to move my arm this far, right, and extend it. Just a small change covered a great distance. Okay, that's what you're doing. You're cheating in a way that's good. Okay, so that's what drives you. And then it's almost like if you did this, and it's like when that you're not going to be this high. Okay, so your hand's here. When it moves to here, you cover a little distance. When it gets to that point where your hand is pointed right at his nose or whatever, his center, that's your cue. It's like, okay, I'm on. My turn. Okay? So when it gets to that position, that's the cue for to release the brake on your foot. Right? Right? So how does that change if you're a little further back? Where now, in order to do that, I would have to take a lead step that was that big. That's not very good, is it? So what step did you use? Somebody said push shuffle. Who said that? Who said shuffle? Who said shuffle?
Push shuffle. Entering lead is
don't
start.
Okay. I'll say not step and slide because it's not fast enough. If I want to hit Sean, I can't probably step and slide and hit him with this. Okay. So I still have that leg loaded, right? But now, when I get to that position, if I took the small lead step like I just did, I still don't get there. So I need a little bit, something that covers more distance and something that's explosive to cover that distance pretty quickly. So the same principles apply you just did. The only thing that's going to happen is when you do this push with this leg, you're just going to shuffle your feet from there. Spin and match on each other. From this spot, so here, so as this position goes to here, as you're moving the hand, you're going to drive off this foot and shuffle in. You see, I'm going back, just like Vince said, back and down. Okay? So you land strong. You land where you can use your hips and everything still. So you should not be. So here, the position goes to here. As soon as it gets there, the key to hand first. Some geometry, some physics, right? A little trick. Hand first. Right? As soon as it gets in position, keeping your elbow in. I can't do it if I go out here, so I'm keeping my elbow in that line. As soon as it gets to that position, do that part. And then you just grab your snap from this